generations have grown up here, and a lot of people have slowly moved over the years, and it's beautiful to see that they have what I wanted when I was little. Tipu mai ai te kapa nei te tau 2021, nā katahia no mātou ka huri ki te 19 tau.
I've been the club treasurer now for 7 going on 8 years. No one wants the role. So site deposits have been booked. We have only booked 40 seats. First August. This year we're coming in at just under 100 grand to get home. And that's only one-way flights, accommodation, kai, over the 10-day period. Now that the Matatini has added an extra day. A lot of mahi, not only on the floor but off the floor, fundraising. We're not eligible for anything back home. We've tried, we've asked. So it's all up to us, our whānau and our community.
We have someone teaching us a song.
Te nui hoki o te wāhi nei, we're a third of Australia. Ko te tino whāinga o te kapa nei, te noho hei whare whakaruru hau, whare haumaru.
They've got everything we need. They've got a gym, they've got fields, they've got a kitchen, they've got a pub. The barriers that we have come up with is the accessibility of venues that we need, especially when we get into chop-dop times. No marae here. Wherever we are the marae. So wherever we go, whatever we do, wherever we are, we take our marae with us. Look at all the nannies in the kitchen there preparing the kai. They're probably younger than me.
I au e tamariki ana, i rangatahi ana i konei. Kāre au I te kite I ngā tangata e oriti ana kia hau. But if we fast forward ki ngā rā o konei, tōpō maha ngā rangatahi, ngā tamariki Māori, huri noa I te whenua moemoea, noho ki te urupu. And it's beautiful to see that they have what I wanted when I was little. And it's just continuously growing, and all it takes is those of us that have the skills that reo, bringing them to them and me whāngai ki a rātou, ka tipu, ka rea I roto I tō rātou ao Māori, ka rongo I ngā waiata e waiata ana, matua mōhio kei ngā tainga rātou e waiata nei o mātou waiata. Sometimes it's hard to keep whānau connected. There's so many aspects that a lot of people struggle to commit to kapa haka. No matter what comes our way, as long as there's some of us that are keeping that fire burning, ka noho tonu te whare nei hei whakaruru hau mō te iwi Māori.
I'm pretty pumped though. Te kei, day 3, 6th position. Let's go.